Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can log work in your Jira software. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're here, you just want to simply click on your issue that you created, whatever you got. Click on it, and right here you just want to go on. You're gonna see here, show more, 4 more fields, and then you're gonna see time tracking right here. And you just click on it and you click time spent. Okay, you can see there's like days, so we can go like 1 hour 30 min, right? Or you can go like time remaining, and you can also add the work description here. And this is how you do it, and this is how you log your work, or how you can log your time in Jira. Thank you very much everybody, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.